Welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add new widgets onto your dashboard. When logged into AdLister, the first page you will see is the dashboard. If you have a look on the right hand side of the page, there is a green button which says Add Widgets. Just simply click on this and a pop-up window will appear with all the widgets. By scrolling down, you can select which widget to add onto your dashboard. When you finish, just simply click on the red X button and you will go back onto your main dashboard. And if you refresh the page, the newly added widgets will appear. Also, you can arrange these widgets in any order you want, and you can always remove the ones that you do not use. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos.